Hello!
Hello, teacher.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is
Hello, Jello. How are you today? How old are you? You're 5. Look outside. How's the weather today? It's sunny. Okay, give teacher Nick a high five. Today we will talk about vegetables. Are you ready? Okay, sit nicely, my dear. What is it? It's a tomato. Very good. Okay, let's read it. Okay, what is it? It's a cabbage. Called. Very good. Okay. It's an onion. It's a cucumber. Lettuce. Mushroom. It's a green bean. Spring. Okay, now can you touch the garlic? Where is the garlic? Garlic. What is this? How about the chili? Okay, do you like chili? No, I don't. I don't like chili. How about potatoes? Do you like potatoes? How about tomatoes? Do you like tomatoes? Okay, is it a broccoli? Is it broccoli? No, it's eggplant. Okay, look here, my dear. Is it a pumpkin? It's an onion. Okay, look here. What color is it? Is it blue? So what color is it? It's yellow and green. Very good. Do you like quartz? Yeah. Okay, very good job. Now, what is your favorite vegetable? What is your favorite vegetable? I like. What vegetable do you like? I like. Okay, what do you like? Carrots. Okay, very good, my dear. That's the end of our speaking assignment, my dear. Goodbye.